Hello Sparkitans! Welcome back to Spark. Today we are going to trace P, Q, R, S and T. Grab your pencil and book. Let's have some fun. Let's start with P. This is letter P. Let's trace it together. Tracing P is very simple. Just draw a standing line and then a right-sided curve like this. It's very easy, right? Let's trace it one more time. Tracing a alphabet is very easy, right? But remember, practice every day. Now you try. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter P. Now let's see three words that start with P. Pencil, peacock, penguin. Bye bye P. Now it's time for Q. This is the letter Q. Let's trace it together. Tracing Q is easy too. Just draw a circle like this. Then draw a small slanting line like this. It's Q. Let's trace one more time together. Now you try. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter Q. Wow, you are doing amazing tracing. We will see three words that start with Q. Queen, quill, Q. Great job with Q. Now let's move to R. This is the letter R. Let's trace it together. First draw a standing line. Then start from the top. Draw right-sided curve. Now draw right slanting line like this. It's R. Let's trace it together. Trace it slowly. Now you try. Take your pencil and paper and trace the letter R. Very good. You are doing great. Now let's see three words that start with R. Rose, rabbit, rat. Bye bye R. Now it's time for S. This is the letter S. Let's trace it together. First draw left-sided curve and then draw right-sided curve like this. It's S. It's very easy, right? Now take your pencil and paper and trace the letter S. Now let's see three words that start with S. Snail, star, snake. Great job with S. Now let's move to T. This is the letter T. Now let's trace it together. Start from the top. Draw one standing line. Now draw a small sleeping line at the top. Wow, it's T. Let's trace it together. Trace it slowly. No need to rush. Take your pencil and paper and trace the letter T. Now let's see three words that start with T. Tiger, tomato, tortoise. Great work, children. Today you traced P, Q, R, S and T so well. Next time we'll finish with the last letters U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Practice all the letters we have learned so far and get ready for the grand finale. Click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss it. See you soon. Practice tracing. Bye.